Hello friends, this is my new channel where I will teach you the best methods of gardening. Mushroom cultivation is a suitable method for producing food in limited spaces. Nowadays, various types of mushrooms are cultivated around the world, but the most common ones are the edible shiitake, button, and oyster mushrooms. Mushroom cultivation steps. 1. Substrate preparation. The cultivation substrate is made from materials such as straw, sawdust, animal manure, or tea waste. The substrate is mixed with water and nutrients, then pasteurized to eliminate contaminants. Two. Inoculation with mycelium. The mycelium, the vegetative part of the mushroom, is planted in the cultivation substrate. The environmental temperature should be 18 to 22 degrees Celsius and the humidity 75 to 85%. Three. Mycelium growth. The mycelium grows in the substrate over several weeks, and mushroom fruiting bodies start to appear. During this stage, ventilation and temperature humidity control are crucial. 4. Induction of mushroom production. By decreasing the temperature and increasing the humidity, the mushrooms start to grow. At this stage, low light and adequate ventilation are required. 5. Mushroom harvesting. The harvesting time is when the mushrooms have grown to the desired size. The mushrooms are gently detached from the substrate and stored in appropriate containers.